Unit 6 test transformations. Number 1. Figure 1 and Figure 2 are similar quadrilaterals. Which proportion must be true? Figure 1, Figure 2. Number 2. Triangle JKL is dilated with the origin as the center of dilation to create J prime, K prime, L prime. We got JKL becomes JKL prime. Which rule best represents the dilation that has been applied to this triangle JKL? So what rule represents this dilation? Number 3. A square is dilated by a scale factor of 0.4 with the origin at the center of dilation. If xy represents the location of any point on the original square, which ordered pair represents the coordinates of the corresponding point on the resulting square? Dilated by a scale factor of 0.4. Number 4. Circle 1 was dilated with the origin as the center of dilation to create circle 2. Which rule was used for this dilation? Circle 1 becomes circle 2. What is the rule for that dilation? Number 5. Margaret was asked to write 3 algebraic representations that would describe a reduction dilation. She wrote the following. Which of these are reductions? Which of these are reductions? Number 6. Which statement best describes the change in perimeter of a triangle that is dilated by a scale factor of 5? Dilated by 5. A, the perimeter of the dilated shape will be 10 units longer than the original. B, the perimeter of the dilated shape will be 15 units longer than the original. C, the perimeter of the dilated shape will be 5 times as long as the original. D, the perimeter of the dilated shape will be 25 times as long as the original. Number 7. Pentagon VWXYZ is shown on the coordinate grid. A student reflected pentagon VWXYZ across the x-axis to create VWXYZ prime. What is the rule describes this transformation? Reflected across the x-axis. Number 8. Triangle RST is translated 6 units to the left, 4 units up to create triangle RST prime. Which rule best describes this transformation? 6 to the left and 4 up. Number 9. Quadrilateral ABCD was translated 4 units to the left and 2 units down. Which rule describes the translation that was applied to the quadrilateral ABCD to create quadrilateral ABCD prime? Translated 4 units to the left and 2 units down. Number 10. The coordinate grid shows triangle QRS. Triangle QRS is rotated 180 degrees about the origin to create triangle QRS. Which rule describes this transformation? Rotated 180 degrees. Number 11. Which of the following transformations does preserve and keep the orientation of the original figure? Does keep orientation. A, a translation that moves the figure left and down. B, a reflection over the x-axis. C, a reflection over the y-axis. D, a rotation of 180 degrees. Which one of those keeps orientation? And number 12. Which representation of a transformation on a coordinate grid does not preserve and keep congruence? Which is not congruent? Find the one that is not congruent.